Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So here is a new video about online banking. How we can check our online payments by checking accounts. What is a checking account? A checking account is a deposit account that allows you to easily make withdrawals, deposits and fund transfers. Also called demands accounts to transactional accounts. Checking accounts can be accessed using checks, automated teller machine, ATMs, and electronic debits, amongst other methods. They are often used to keep money for short-term expenses. Key takeaway: a checking account is deposit account that allow to use easily, make deposits, makes deposit and withdrawals. Checking accounts typically don't provide much if any interest. Third, checking accounts can have fees such as overdraft fees. Fourth, money in a checking account is typically insured for up to $25 25 to $50,000 by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corps. Checking accounts can provide an ideal place to keep your fund for short-time, everyday spending. How checking accounts work. Setting up a checking account to a bank or a credit union is generally easy. You can apply online or visit a bank branch and often get a checking account immediately. You will need to provide basic personal information such as your social security numbers and identifications. Then you can deposit funds into the accounts with cash or checks. Some checking accounts charge a fee if you do not meet their minimum deposit amount. You will typically receive a debit card. After that, you can deposit and withdraw your money as you like using ATMs, checks, or in-person transactions. You can also use your checking accounts to make balance transfers or pay bills online. Funds in a checking account at a bank are granted by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corps, used to $250,000 per individual depositor per insured bank. That means if you have less than that amount and your bank fails, your money will be saved. Any amount over the FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corps, limits it at risk. If you are opening a checking account at a credit union, your funds will get at the same kind of protection by the National Credit Union Association. Type of checking accounts. Checking accounts come in several types designs for different purposes. For example, a commercial checking account is used by business. These business officers, managers or employees will have authority to use the account for business expenses. Some banks offers student checking accounts for college students with perks like not having maintenance or minimum balance fees as the students learn how to manage funds. Other type of checking accounts include second chance accounts, which are account designs for people who don't qualify for a traditional checking accounts. They often have more restrictions and charge a fee. They also typically do not provide overdraft protection. Checking accounts and banks. Banks make money through the fees on checking accounts. They can also use checking accounts to attract consumers who may then be more likely to take out personal loans, mortgage and certificates of deposits with that banks. A great balance of money held in checking accounts are used to calculate the MA and M2 money supply.